Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a photo password and how to use it in Windows 10. So let's move on point how to do it. First go in settings, this, and now click on accounts and make sure you're on sign in options here. And yeah, from here you can add a pin code, you can make another password, to change the password, or to delete the password. Also you can create a Windows hello face, but as you can see here we have picture password, and maybe click on it, click on add, and now we need we must enter our current password. Wait, yeah, so now choose a picture by clicking this button, let's say this one, open it, and now click on use picture. But now what to do now, actually, I mean, how does PhotoPass work? Actually, PhotoPass is working like this. You choose some password, and with your mouse you have to make some circles like this by holding left button of your mouse, let's say now like that, and let's make like that. And now you need to repeat your password that you made recently made. So just repeat it. I think it was like that. You've currently created your picture password. Use it, and next time you send it into Windows. So yeah, that was it. Click on finish, and now when you restart your PC you see there's a picture. So you need to make the same circles that you made by holding the left button of your mouse. And yeah, that's it. If I have helped, make sure to give it a like, and also if you want to remove it, just click here, remove, and that's it. If I have helped, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.